Imagine a community where financial freedom isn't just a dream, but a destination within reach. Welcome to the ultimate real estate investing platform, where everyday people are building wealth one rental at a time. This isn't about risky moves or overnight success. It's about proven buy and hold strategies that generate steady income and long-term security. For just 67 pennies a day, you gain affordable access to expert knowledge, a library of valuable content, and a network of supportive investors cheering you on.
See the faces of real people achieving early retirement. Teachers, parents, young professionals, all thriving as they grow their rental property portfolios. Picture beautiful homes providing both income and stability. Here, you're not alone. You're part of a community committed to helping you succeed. Start your path to financial independence today. Join now through the link below and make your journey to one rental at a time a reality.